Yeah, I like this. Help me, God. Look.
What is up, guys? Thomas here. I am in Atlanta, where it did, in fact, actually snow last night. I honestly still can't believe that it snowed like it did, but it snowed a lot. I mean, check this out. How you doing, man? You good? Hey, happy snow day. Oh, it's great. So, right now what I'm doing is I am walking to the Marta, and I'm gonna hop on the Marta, and we're just gonna go downtown, we're gonna go to Midtown, we're gonna just pop around the city and get content, shoot. I got my drone with me. I got a camera, I've got my Insta360, got this Osmo, so let's just make some content. Let's go create, let's go capture the city. Let's go see what we got to offer, man. But yeah, check this snow out, man. This is wild. All right, so I'm about halfway to the Marta, and the snow is definitely turning more into like sleet and some like icy wintry mix. So we'll see how long it lasts. At least everything is white though. All right, so we made it to the Marta. Oh, there she comes. Let's go. Time to hit it. What we waiting for. We made it. We are at 5 Points. I'm about to head downtown. I'm gonna meet up with my buddy Jordan. See what he's up to. Said his buddy has a cool art sculpture down here somewhere, and then I think we're just gonna pop around and see what's going on. Get some iconic photos of this beautiful, beautiful snow here in our city. All right, so here's what they don't tell you when you film and you take photographs. It is hard AF to film yourself and shoot photos consistently. Make sure you're doing it. I mean, right now I'm like, do I prioritize photo? Do I do video? It's hard to get both of these cameras. I could probably switch to my other camera, but I just love this. I love the Osmo for vlogging like this. It's so simple. I mean, look at this. This looks amazingly good. It's so clear. I mean, this is perfect. This snow is thick. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, my feet are starting to get a little bit wet. It's getting like, there's parts where I'm walking and my, like the top of my boots, like getting, either snow's getting kicked up into it or it's like in there. I don't know, it's pretty wild. I don't know exactly where my buddy's at. I need to give him a call, honestly. I mean, look, I'm hoping it snows more, like really, really drops. Cause that'd be sick. I just saw a photo I want to take for sure. I have crampons from like being in Utah and hiking and stuff, and now would be a great time to use them. You're really not wearing more than that? What's up, man? You came prepared with your camera stuff.
This is about all I got. Otherwise, I'm underdressed. I ain't even bring my rain pants out.
This is cool. I didn't bring rain. I'm just wearing like fleece pants. But
I've been like shooting blind through this. Pull it out, like all of my photos are blurry because this shit's wet as hell. It's rain now.
All right, got the dynamic framing set, so now we actually look proper. So if you want to shoot footage like this where you have two people in frame, it kind of looks better and it selects you on the outside. You got to set dynamic framing. You got to go to the little pinpoint on the right or wherever you want it set, and then you can kind of put a third crop or framing. I don't want to say framing again, which essentially frame it right by choosing the point you want it to autofocus on. So now we can both be in frame.
Love you, chat. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Do it like this, do it like that, do it like this, oh yeah. I'ma have a good time, live my life. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Damn, was it not filming the whole time?
Hey, that happens sometimes. I mean, I've gone through a whole shoot, and every time I'm pressing the record button, I'm turning it off.
Dude, yeah. Nah, I happened at a wedding. Kristen was shooting me once. All right, so I don't know if the last clip recorded, but we fucking made it to Waffle House. We're out here trying to get out of the rain. All of our shit's wet. It's wet outside. It's not even that cold because I got the right gear on. This man right here, I don't know. But got this little emergency bowl menu, so they ain't even got the full menu, no waffles. We just at the house eating. It's a good day. dude is wild. This shit is so hot. So it's definitely more of like a slushy mix now, which is not as fun.
New York bullshit.
This is some bullshit. I get it now. There's still a couple fresh patches that are nice and cute looking. We're gonna go find some. We're gonna hit Piedmont Park, a little parking garage, a little bit more Marta action, and then probably hit the cribbo. I wish we had a hot tub to hit. That would be it. This is one of my favorite spots in the city because of how epic all this shit is. Look at this. And when we got here, this entire top was completely untouched, no footprints, nothing, which is always amazing. Got a great view of the city from here. So we walked in right there with the right side all untouched, which we love. Whew! Success, baby, success. All right, so I guess we're gonna head to Piedmont Park now, baby. I'm pretty excited. Fucking Atlanta snow day, let's go. I mean, it's a shot I saw. So we just got off the Marta, we went to the high, we took some footage. I got some super sick pics, check these out. So this is like a once in a lifetime experience, honestly. I've never seen this much snow in Atlanta. I don't know that I'll ever see it again. It honestly is nuts. So I'm just trying to document stuff, get cool photos, see what we can't capture, but I think the stuff at the high was super cool. We're heading towards Piedmont Park now. So that's where we're going. We got a little bit of a walk, probably half a mile, probably a mile and a half by the time we find everybody, do everything. But yeah, man, this is awesome. I'm having the best day. Fucking love a snow day, baby. Let's go. I feel like these damn kids right here. Look how happy these little kids are. Filled with glee. I don't know. Should I break dry January? For the snow day? I feel like I shouldn't. It's Adam Myles.
Welcome to my place. This is my new apartment.
Right across from Piedmont. I mean, look at this shit. You can't make this. Yeah, you can't make shit up.
Location, people.
Yes. How's it feel?
It feels great. Oh my god, I'm like a little kid. I'm ready to go sledding.
Hell yeah, we in here. Well, she's walking up to her home.
Yes.
Let us hit the bathroom real quick, regroup real fast before we hit the Piedmont, maybe dry my socks out a little bit because these guys are wet. Yeah, some water. Jordan probably wants some champagne or something, so. But hell yeah, we're about to go, I guess, sledding and just keep playing, man. The park is popping. Wait, it took how long?
It just took 30 minutes.
Here on the slope, dude. Sorry, I'm just a shooby. All right, so as you can see, it's turned into a ski village out here. Got mattresses, got people going down on feet, snowboards without bindings. Some people got some real sleds, that shit's dope. They're going crazy.
They're going crazy.
They're going crazy. Look how happy everybody is.
guys, got snowball in my head, but that doesn't even matter. What does matter is 45 days is out now. Go stream that. Yeah.
I see a snowman.
You about to tackle it? Shit, let's see what he does.
We're going viral. I've been doing this all day. I'm that guy. I'm that guy, right? All right, you ready? Oh, I see a snowman. You know what time it is. Hold on, I see another one. They're not safe. They're not safe.
So after a little bit more of this, which honestly was very entertaining, we just popped around the park, took a couple pictures before we all headed out for the day. It's been a long day. It is 4 o'clock. So I mean, I got started this morning early. I've been up all morning. All right, I am wrapping for the day. It is freezing. I didn't really get the shots I wanted with the drone because it's like raining essentially. It's not even really snowing, it's like rain, ice. But it's been an amazing day. Hit my homie up. He was trying to flex his all-wheel drive, his new truck, so I told him go ahead and scoop me up, and he said he would if he comes right now. So told him to head on over here, and yeah, I got a ride coming. I'm gonna dump this footage, look at these photos. Again, it's been such a fun day. I had such a good time shooting all day, walking around the city while it was snowing out. It was fun. Again, I'm exhausted now, man. 16,000 steps in, baby. 16,000 steps in. So, whew. We out here though, man.